Welcome to Cutting Edge. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious homemade burger buns. We start out with the wet ingredients. I have here 220 milliliter of milk, 220 milliliter of water, 100 milliliter of good olive oil, and 2 whole eggs. We put the wet ingredients first because then the dough will not stick so much to the ball at the end. Then we add 15 grams of dry yeast, 880 grams of strong flour, type 00, that, and finally 20 grams of good sea salt. We're going to put this on our stand mixer, like this. First we mix it up on low speed, and once it's all combined, we're going to knead it for 10 minutes or until it releases from the bowl. After kneading for about 10 minutes, you get to a surface like this where it's not sticky anymore. Then we're going to transfer the dough to an oiled bowl. Like that. Just going to flip it around so we get oil on all sides so the surface doesn't dry out. Like that. That looks good. Now we're going to cover this for about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes until it doubled in size. Let's have a look, see how we're doing. And that looks good and ready. Let's flip that out on our work surface here. Like that. Oops, there's some wind here. Huh? Okay. This portion of dough will yield 12 medium-sized burger buns, but I want them a little bit bigger, so I think I'm going to divide this into, let's say, let's take it down the middle here. Like this. And then let's say 1, 2, so let's say 8 big ones. And we take each of them, fold it over on itself like this to create a seam on the bottom. And again, we're fighting with the wind. Right. And then we're going to leave it here, seam side down. And we're going to do all 8 the same way. Here we go. It's the last one here. Then we leave them. I'm just going to flatten them a little bit as we want them to become burger buns. That. Then we're going to cover them with a couple of towels here. And leave them to rest again about half an hour and again until double in size. Our burger buns, they're ready for the oven. See, they look beautiful and puffed up. But first we're going to give them a coating with an egg wash. This is 1 whole egg mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. So they get a nice golden crust. As you can see, I didn't measure them out exactly to the same size, but it's home baking, so it's okay. They're going to be nice. And then we're going to sprinkle them with a bit of sesame seeds. And then they go in the oven on the middle rack at 190 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. We will check them as we go along. 25 minutes and our burger buns, they're nice and golden. Let's get them out. So here. And they are just gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful burger buns. Now they need to rest a little bit and cool down before we can cut in and taste one of them. Let's cut into one and see how we did. And look at that crumb. Look how it bounces back. It's excellent, fluffy burger buns. Shall we give it a taste also? Let me give you one piece here.
Nice.
Ooh. That's very good. Extremely fluffy.
Perfect. Looking forward to make the sandwiches.
The roast beef episode is going to be epic. Stay tuned.